Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete reels on Instagram. First, you just need to open your Instagram application, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from here you will find all the posts that you have made on your Instagram profile, and you can also find the reels that you have on your profile. So if you want to delete our reels on Instagram, then you just need to tap on this reels icon here to get all the reels. Here it is. Here you can see I have these reels posted on my profile. So if I want to delete it, I can just hold on that and I can tap on that and I can just tap on this. After that, you will find this delete option here. Just tap on it and tap here and delete your this reel on your Instagram profile. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.